So let's start talking about commands. Okay, so if we open the playground, it's a very first chapter. So if we expand the title on the top, we are on the very first chapter called commands and the first level issue commands. Okay. What was a command? A command is easy. It's just an instruction that you give the computer. In this case, Byte. You tell Byte to do something. Okay. What we have to do? The goal of this level, as you can see from the top bar, is to collect 1 gem. Okay. As soon as I tap on the code area, I can see from the bottom bar, I can only pick 2 commands, which are collect gem and move forward. Okay, I can tell Byte to do 2 steps, for example, and then collect gem, okay? So instead of tapping run my code, I tap on the button that is close to the run button and I select step through my code, okay? Which is easier for me to see which instruction is executed. Actually, I'm doing 2 steps and collect gem. There's a problem on this code already. So I go back in the code area and I can see that what's the problem here. Exactly. So I need 1 more step. So I tap on the new line button on the bottom bar, the second button over on the right, and then I add on move forward. Okay, good. Then I delete the empty line with my back button. That's too much. And now I can step through my code again. Now I'm doing 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, and I finally collect the gem. Perfect. Perfect. So now I can tap on the next page button where the congratulations message is, and I can go and try to do the second level, which is the title is adding a new command on the top bar. Okay. So if I tap here on the code area, I notice that I have 1 new instruction here, 1 new command, which says turn left. Okay, let's try to solve this level. So first thing I have to do is to look at the goal of the level, which is to collect 1 gem. Okay, let's try to write the solution for this level. So I have to do 2 steps, turning left, and another 2 steps, and then I go to collect the gem, okay? Again, and as I mentioned earlier in the previous level, I tap on the button and I step through my code to see if my solution is correct. So Byte is doing 2 steps, I turn left, other 2 steps, and then collect the gem. Very well done, we did it. Okay, so before we go to the next level, I just want to recap what we've done so far. So far we learned about commands, which are simply instructions that we're giving the computer to tell what to do, okay? So now I want to ask you a question. Do you think that the order in which I give the instructions is important? And explain better myself. If I tap on the collect gem and I drag this instruction up, do you think that I will get the same result? Exactly. I won't get the same result because the order is really important, okay? So I tap on the back button and I put my collect gem instruction back to where it was. Now, I tap the next page and I look at this level, okay? If I tap on the code area, I can see another further new instruction, new command, which is toggle switch. Okay, I just want to say something about the toggle switch, but then I would like you to submit a solution on CISO of this level because I want you to practice by yourself what means writing code. Okay. So toggle switch, if you look at the middle of the level, you got a switch, a gray switch. So you have to think about the command of toggling a switch and the same way you toggle a switch for a light. So you enter in a room which is dark and you want to switch on the light. So you go toward the switch, like the same you got over there, and you toggle. Once the light is on, if you toggle again, the light will go off. It's the same with the switch we got here. So now you see the switch which is off. Once you get the switch on, you will see the switch changing color in light blue, the same color you see in the goal on the top, okay? So in this particular level, the goal is collect one gem and toggle one switch, okay? So if you toggle twice, the switch will go off, on, off, okay? So you have to toggle just once, okay? Try to do this level, okay? Okay, so I would like also you to try to give the solution of portal practice level. But before you start coding this level, I would like just to mention that we got a new thing here, which is the blue teleport. And then once you step into the tile with the teleport, you simply will be teletransported on the other side of the maze where the other tile with the teleport is, okay? So nothing too complicated. Try to submit a solution on CISO. Bye.